Nigga ain't even got no food, man. Eating like leftovers from weeks ago. See how black everything is, all they burn shit. You gotta do what you gotta do. Struggle is real, man. People don't even know that. Glass of water. Still feeling blessed though. Some people ain't even got that, you know what I mean? People ain't even got that. Gotta see blessings in every situation. Thank God, God is good. Gotta stay out though. Stay out.